This video is about the data requirements for files uploaded to FREDA. Subsequent videos will cover how to upload and use these files in other tabs. Here, we're going to go over two files, the data file and the molecular identification file. These example files can be downloaded from the Data Requirements subtab on the Welcome page. The first file, the data file, has the following requirements. You must have one column corresponding to unique mass identifiers for each peak. In this example file, it is indicated by this mass column. The rest of your columns must correspond to sample identifiers in your data. The values in these columns correspond to peak intensities for each mass identifier. Moving on to the second file, the molecular identification file, we see that it has the same column corresponding to unique mass IDs. Again, this column is required. Two other required columns are carbon and hydrogen counts. Additionally, you may include oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus counts, and these can be used in subsequent pre-processing steps. There's an optional column which identifies the presence of isotopic peaks, and any other columns containing metadata corresponding to unique mass identifiers. In the video covering the Upload tab, we'll see how to get these files into FREDA and start using them in our analysis.